How to choose a business name. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it and how we can find available business names. For this, you just have to open up your browser, and after that just do the general search for your business name that you have in your mind. Simply search it up on Google, and this way you would be able to find whether there is any existing business with that particular name or not. This is the first step. After that, you can open up different social medias like LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, or any other social media, and type that particular name in order to check out whether that particular name is there on social media or not. And social media is the easiest way to find out whether there is an existing business with that particular name. And another method is that you just simply search for business filing agency, and after that just type the name of the region where you are located, and this way you would be able to look out for the business filing agency of that particular region. Just open up their website and you would be able to check out the business names of that particular region on their website itself. This way you would be able to find all the registered business names with that particular name that you have in your mind, and you would be able to check whether it is available or not. So these were some ways that you can utilize. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.